Hey guys, it's Dan the Medic. Before we begin today's video, what you're looking at is actually the end of me eating. I'm done eating already, and I just been informed that they're having a 50% off special on their Korean barbecue meats for a la carte. Right? That means like you come here, you order like off the menu a la carte, and then you cook it and you eat it for 50% off the meats. The meats. Can you tell us more?
Yes, so we have an individual place for each of the meats that are in the all-you-can-eat menu. So like the brisket, the beef belly, or even the pork belly, and all of that will be 50% off.
That's a good deal.
Yeah, and here's an example on what the portion will look like.
And this is the brisket?
Yes.
Oh. Can I tilt it this way? It's not gonna fall, is it? It's not gonna fall, is it?
It's not gonna guarantee.
It's about to fall. It's about to fall. All right, 50% off, guys. All right, now let's start the video. Hey guys, it's Dan the Medic. Welcome to the channel. Today it is about 10 p.m. on a Saturday night, and I'm feeling hungry. And now it's like, let me see what Steve is doing. Steve is like, he's having chicken and broccoli, but he said, why don't you go back to KG BBQ? They have a nighttime special last time I was here, right? So I'm like, all right, I'll go do this instead. So here we are at a place called like, it says Korean Garden on it. So let's go see what type of special they got. It's been 7 months, guys. Hope they still got the special. I like specials, guys. Instead of going up the stairs, I much prefer an elevator. I'm lazy that way, guys. There we go. Oh, it's hot in here. Ooh, it's like 20 degrees hotter in here than it is outside. I'm gonna have to rethink the whole elevator thing for myself. Wow, there's no AC in here. Oh, that's nuts. And it's really hot lights. You know, not doing much justice. Oh boy. Come on, open, baby, open. Oh, jeez. Oh, it's nice and cool out here now. Yeah. So, it's on Spring Mountain, right next to like the popular stuff down right over there. It's not too far. Beautiful night tonight. Very nice. Hi.
How you been?
Good, good. Good to see you. And look, we got some customers over here.
She's the best. She's the best server.
Yeah.
Best server ever. Ain't nobody better than her. And her
Oh.
father, Moon, he's the greatest.
Oh, terrific. All right. So, happy customers, guys. Now, over here, we're going to go for this here. All you can eat Korean BBQ. Now it is $22.99. It went up a whole $1 since I was last here. All right. So, today is Saturday. As you can see here, Friday and Saturday, 10 p.m. to 2 a.m., right? So only Friday and Saturday nights, 10 p.m. to 2 a.m., you can get this deal, or it's like lunchtime deal, noon to 5, right? Monday through Sunday, all 7 days. They need to change this, guys. But yeah, whatever, as long as you know. All right, let's go in. And of course, they got like premium stuff here. Last time I tried some of the more premium stuff. It was delicious, but you know, I'm in for the bargain today. Here we go. Hello guys. Hello. Hello. Hey, it's a nice owner guy. Hey, hello. Great. All right. Oh, hello. The nice lady. Hi. How are you? Long time no see. Hi. Okay. Yeah, I have a seat. Okay. Right here? Okay. Yeah, I'll do that for now. And these things come automatically?
Yes.
Look up, there it is. The side dishes, guys. There we go. Side dishes. Yes, not to be eaten as appetizers. My mistake all my life. They're to be eaten with your meal. Go nuts. Oh, and the white rice, guys. Terrific. Alright guys, so now that the banchan has arrived, as you saw, I'm going to talk about the menu. This is the menu, guys. So over here, right, you see all you can eat Korean BBQ, $22.99 a person. It comes with this stuff here, some of this stuff here, the 3 side dishes here, but there are rules and regulations. I will tell you, it's in fine print here. There's a time limit, right? And on weekends, it should be 2 or more people coming to eat this unless the management says it's okay. That's what it actually says here. I'll take a closer photo of just the rules so you can see it, just to be sure. Oh, look at this, guys. Looking fantastic. All right, so now this here, the front is the all you can eat. The back here is the lunch and late night special of things that you can purchase should you want to, right? You got stone pot bibimbap, different types of Korean stuff. Oh, you got a bento box for $19.99. You know, so that's not bad at all. You come here for a bento box lunch. Galbi, $25.99. They specialize in the galbi. One time I came here with Toby and Cindy. We tried the galbi, is excellent. And they got egg custard for $5.99. That's the Korean steamed egg. I can never make that at home. And boy, I'm telling you, I tried. Oh, thank you. Oh, evidently they come over here and put your meat on your hot plate. All right. Thank you. All right, so for today's entertainment purposes, I will demonstrate how I've been eating Korean food my entire life and not know it is not how it's done in Korea. All right, I will show you. Usually, I ignore the spoon unless I'm getting the soup. All right. So, I would take my bowl of white rice, get the kimchi, and eat it like this. Oh, that sausage. Nicely flavored. Oh, we got like noodles over here. All right. So what I would normally have done back in the day is that I'll get to the Korean restaurant, I'll be so hungry, I start eating all the side dishes as appetizers, right? And that's what I would do. And that's wrong, guys. Absolutely wrong, guys. So according to genuine Korean Cindy, you're supposed to eat like a little bit of everything as an entire mouthful and chew everything together and eat it that way with a piece of lettuce. So I have just discovered that the lettuce, like the Korean thing of a lot of lettuce leaves, is not a part of the special. You can order it and pay separately, but there is a workaround. The menu here has free side salad, right? Oh, thank you. All right, so the way genuine Korean do it You take the lettuce, right? You put all the stuff in it, a little bit of whatever you want, including the rice and the meat and the banchan. You fold it like a burrito, you shove it in your mouth and you eat it, right? Delicious. But what I'm gonna do to modify that technique, I'm gonna use this here cut up lettuce and basically just shove everything in my mouth instead of in the lettuce. Shove the lettuce into my mouth and chew it all like that. The end result should be the same. Here we go. Better yet, I'll make it a little more civilized. I was just gonna shove, no, more civilized. Here we go. A little bit of everything I want. Some rice, some of this meat. I'll take a piece of this. I will take a piece of this, whatever this is. Some of this, oh, spicy guys. A piece of this, surrounded by lettuce, right? And so that would be like a mouthful. Now I just gotta shove this into my mouth without anyone noticing. Thank you.
No problem. How do you like the side dishes?
Oh, they're good. I'm eating it like a real Korean person. A little bit of stuff all in one mouthful and chewing everything.
Have you tried cooking the kimchi?
What? Cook the kimchi?
Yes.
Is that actually done?
Yeah. Here, let's cook a small piece.
Okay.
You cook it along like I recommend cooking some of the meat first. That way, some of the flavor of the meat stay on the grill, and you can cook it on the kimchi. You can cook on top of it. The flavor of the meat gets stuck on the kimchi.
Oh. All right. Cooking the kimchi, guys.
And here's the soybean soup.
Oh, soybean soup. Terrific. Oh wow, it's boiling, guys. Look, 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 look. It looks fantastic, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try some of the soup first. Wow, got a lot of stuff in there. Oh, I got beef. There's beef in here. Give the soup a try. It's nice. I was about to throw the beef in there. Sundubu. And it's not too spicy. All right, so the kimchi must be done. We'll let that cool off. And now I'm back to eating it like a Chinese person. Got my bowl of rice. So Korean people, as I understand, don't pick up the bowl of rice. They leave it there and they use a spoon. And then they put it in with the lettuce. I'll just eat it the usual way. So now I'm gonna try it a different way. I put the lettuce in my mouth as a base, then put all the different things inside, and then I'm gonna start chewing. Here we go. Lettuce first. I'm telling you, it is uniquely refreshing. It's like we got the same food, but it's like a whole different eating experience. Oh. Oh, thank you.
No problem. Dipping the meat.
Oh, all this time is for dipping the meat.
You want to try the
Oh.
new menu, Sundubu?
Oh, really? Oh, wait. Let me get it. And action. Oh. An egg goes in it. Oh.
So yeah, while it's boiling, you put the egg inside, and then still the egg will be cooked.
Okay, so I just wait for the egg to be done.
You could do that, or you could mix it.
Oh, okay. Sundubu jjigae. Sundubu means soft tofu, jjigae meaning stew. Sundubu. Ooh.
But yeah, sundubu means soft tofu.
Ah. So I'm gonna dip the meat in the sauce. Ooh. It's a vinegary sauce.
Like a soy sauce vinaigrette.
Mm.
We also have other stuff if you would like to try.
Oh. Can't possibly try it all. But let me try the sundubu.
I would mix it up a bit.
Oh, that's a huge chunk of tofu. Oh, what's this? The steamed egg?
Yes, Timmy.
Oh, yes. I was thinking about the steamed egg.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes.
So yeah,
Take a look at the steamed egg, guys. All right, so let's try the sundubu jjigae. It looks spicy, guys. It looks more spicy than it actually is. It's not bad. It looks so spicy, guys.
it's also good for clearing out sinuses.
Nice and fresh.
Although I would not recommend eating it when it boils.
Huh?
I would not recommend eating it when it boils.
When it boils, oh, too hot?
If it turns too hot, it might burn your.
Oh, yeah. Too hot, no good. Pretty good sundubu. Very neutral in flavor. Yeah, more neutral than usual. Whereas the other one from before is more like savory. Now, what if we mix them together? Ooh, it's so good mixed together. And it got spicier. How is that possible, guys? I do not know. Now let's try this here. Egg custard thingy. Egg custard thing, guys. Now remember, the sundubu may be coming to the menu soon. This thing costs extra. Just letting you know. Whatever's on the menu is on the menu. Oh, I'm loving this egg thing. Ooh. Nice egg flavor. You know, I'm getting used to like the whole like Korean way of eating. My modified Korean way of eating. kind of makes me smile. It's like you're tasting all these different things at once. All right, let me come up with a nice analogy. So over here, you got a nice sweet babe whispering something into your ear, right? Something sweet. Oh, baby, that's so good, right? Oh, really good. Oh, nice. Wonderful, sweet babe whispering in your ear. Now, Korean style, my modified Korean style. So that was like you walk into the backstage dressing room of an all-girls show, right? And they're all like sitting in that little dressing room with the mirrors with the light bulbs on it, and they're all kind of talking to each other. And then you walk in, some of them like turns to you and start talking to you in a very sweet voice, and then you're paying attention to her, and then over there, a couple of them was a fighting, like having an argument, and over there, a couple of them are making it. Another one is like talking to you in your other ear, and then they rotate. Now the one that's talking to you is fighting with that one, and that one like she stopped and went to the bathroom, and then she dropped something on the floor, and it's like all this different stuff going on in your mouth. All right, guys. So I'm gonna call this the end of the video. I cannot eat anymore. I mean, I have to finish eating this. Otherwise, it's a $15 penalty. But I'm gonna take my time. So I'm gonna tell you, the meat's excellent, good and fresh. Ingredients, good and fresh. Wonderful flavors of these three things over here, right? The middle one being more neutral. This one here being a little extra flavor. Combined it, delicious. And eating it modified Korean style is something I would tell all my friends to do if they don't already do it already. One more modified Korean style, just for the heck of it. It's a lot of fun. There's too many flavors, it's frying my brain. All right, New Vegas video every Friday.